In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view dividend growth history in Simply Safe Dividends. If you're analyzing a company for long-term income, the dividend growth record is one of the best quick checks you can make, and it just takes a moment to find. First, log into your account. Open Simply Safe Dividends and sign in using your credentials. Make sure you're on the main dashboard once you're in. Taking a second to confirm you're logged in avoids searching as a guest and ensures you can access the full details for each company. Next, head to the search bar located at the top right corner of the page. Type the company's ticker symbol or its full name. If more than one result appears, look carefully at the ticker and description so you pick the correct listing. This is especially helpful for companies with multiple share classes or similar names. Press Enter or select the company from the drop-down results to proceed. Now click on the stock to open its profile page. This brings you to the company's overview, where you'll see key information like the dividend yield, payout ratio, and safety score. Take a brief moment to confirm you've opened the right stock by checking the ticker and the business name at the top. From here, click on Dividend Growth. This is the section that highlights the company's history of raising its dividend. On this page, you'll typically see a chart of dividend per share over time and growth rates over different periods. Look for the trend line. A steadily rising curve suggests consistent increases, while flat or declining periods indicate freezes or cuts. You'll also often see growth metrics such as 1, 3, 5, and 10-year compound growth rates, which help you understand whether recent increases are accelerating or slowing compared to the past. As you review the history, focus on the consistency of raises and the size of those raises. A long streak of annual increases can be a sign of reliable management priorities, while very rapid growth may not always be sustainable. It can also help to note any pauses during major economic downturns and how quickly the company resumed increases afterward. Context like that can make the numbers more meaningful. That's all there is to it. Log in, use the search bar at the top right to find your stock, click on the stock to open its profile, and then click Dividend Growth to see the complete history. Repeat the same process for any other company you want to evaluate, and you'll have a clear, quick view of how each business has treated its shareholders over time.